Welcome back, Click Profits Pro fam, and in today's video I'm going to show you probably the easiest way to make $720 in 15 minutes by simply watching and sharing videos from your mobile device or laptop without having to invest any of your own hard-earned cash. There is one catch though, and that is, in order to make this work for you, be sure to watch all the way until the end and follow each of the steps as I go through them so that you can make sure you complete them properly. This is a new secret method, so keep watching and I'll walk you through the process step by step. So right before we get started here, make sure you leave a like for this video if you enjoy making money online, and leave a quick comment down below letting me know what you would do with your $720 per 15-minute earnings. How would that extra money change your life? I'd be interested to know in the comments below. Alright, get your mouse ready and let's start clicking our way to profits. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your browser and go over to Skillshare. That's Skillshare.com, and if you're not familiar with this website, it's an online learning platform with thousands of different topics, subjects, and courses for those subjects that you can choose from. If we do a quick browse across the top menu here, you'll get an idea of the various categories they have to offer here, but that's not even half of what they offer. If we come over to Browse over here, you'll see a drop-down menu of all of the different categories you can learn about. Anything from web development, UI design, photography, music, fine art, freelance and entrepreneurship, marketing, productivity, and the list goes on and on, with subcategories that can be niched down and refined. Now wait a minute here, stop panicking. You're not going to have to learn anything here on Skillshare. I mean, you certainly can if you want to, but for this method you don't need to take courses, so you won't be reaching for your wallet and taking out your card. Put down your wallet and take a breath. Remember, this can be adding to your wallet if you pay attention and follow each step that I outline in this video. So where does Skillshare come into the picture then? Well, I'm sure that it comes as no surprise that Skillshare and other online e-learning platforms just like it are in high demand these days, and the demand for learning online will only continue to increase every single year. Skillshare offers the ability to learn a wide variety of skills and topics for very affordable prices too. I think their membership is around $15 a month, and you get access to thousands of courses, which gives them a competitive advantage in the marketplace of e-learning, and they get millions of visitors every single month. This is how you can leverage the success of their platform and make lots of money online starting today. Keep watching so that you can find out what's going on here and what exactly this has to do with sharing other people's videos and making money on autopilot. So we're here on Skillshare.com. And what you'll want to do is scroll down all the way down to the bottom here and click on here where it says affiliates. That link will take you over to this page, which explains their affiliate program. And as you can see here, it says you can earn $7 for every new customer that you refer to their platform. And I'll show you how to set up this really cool free tool that you can use to help you automate this entire process, and it will only take you a few short minutes. Another really cool thing worth mentioning about the Skillshare affiliate program is that you'll earn $7 for every new customer that signs up for either a premium membership or even a free trial membership. Now what you'll need to do in this next step is to click on the Join for Free button and sign up as an affiliate by filling out this application so that you can have your own unique affiliate link that's generated specifically for you, that you can bring in customers and earn money with. It's a pretty basic process, standard information that you would fill out when applying for any other affiliate program, and should take you no more than 2 to 3 minutes to complete, and then you can just click on this sign up button once you're finished. And then you can grab your unique affiliate link. And once you've done that, it should look something like this one, but it would have your affiliate name on the end of the link, and that's going to take you to this page where it says Click Profits Pro has given you 14 free days of Skillshare Premium, and if someone signs up, then I'll make $7 for that sign up. So now you want to start making this money automatically with your link, And if we come back over here and take another look at all of the categories they have to offer, and keeping that in mind, you can target those specific groups of people who are interested in those topics and bring them over to Skillshare with your affiliate link. And they can learn about their interest for either $15 a month or $8.25 a month if they pay for the annual plan. So for less than $10 a month, they have thousands of topics to choose from. Let's say, for instance, we want to focus on freelance and entrepreneurship because they're always interested in improving their skills and they likely have a decent budget to spend on improving those skills. This can work for any of the categories, but for simplicity and for demonstration of this strategy I'm going to show you today, we'll be focusing on freelance and entrepreneurship. Are you still with me? Drop a what's next in the comments to show that you're still here and paying attention. Okay, so now you'll come over to YouTube and search freelancing tips or entrepreneur tips. And if you want to promote to photographers, for instance, then you would search for photography tutorials, how to start photography, and so on. You want to find videos that are helpful and offer free value. So let's say I choose this video right here based on the category I'm targeting. And you'll click on share and copy that video's URL. And that's all you need for now on YouTube. Next, let's go over to Sniply. That's sniply.io, which is a free tool that adds a call to action to any shortened link you use for any website out there. So let me show you how you can start earning money completely automated just by simply sharing those helpful YouTube videos to your target audience. So you'll just click on this Get Started for Free, and you can ignore the pricing plans and just click on Start Your Free Trial right here. Once you're all signed up for free and you've logged into your account, this is how it will look. And up here it says enter a URL and create a snip. So now paste that YouTube URL that you just got a moment ago right here and then click create snip. Then it's going to ask you to select a Sniply type. So we want to select button. Next, in call to action, it's going to ask for a message that you'll want to use as your call to action. Something enticing that you'll want for people to click on your link. So for instance, you could say something like, learn the best tips for becoming an entrepreneur, or whichever topic you're focusing on. And then the button text can be something like, start for free today. And then the button URL should be your unique Skillshare affiliate link. And then this is how it's going to look down here. This is a preview, and now this is what people are going to see when they watch the video you shared with helpful tips. And now they'll see your call to action and click on this button that tells them to start for free. And then they'll be taken over to Skillshare where they can sign up for free and you make $7. So let's continue on here. We're not quite finished setting this up yet, so keep watching. You'll be able to customize the button if you want, so you can change the color if you think a different color will grab their attention more, and then just click on Finish CTA. That will generate your unique Sniply link. So many unique links. If you copy that link and paste it into another browser tab, that page will look something like this one. They'll start watching this video, and during that time, they'll see this nice big call to action down here that says, learn the best tips for becoming an entrepreneur, or learn the best tips for becoming a photographer. You get the point. And start for free today. And if they click on this button, it will take them over to your Skillshare affiliate page where they can then sign up for a free trial, and you're going to make $7. I'm not a broken record here, I promise. I know it sounds that way. Okay, so now you need to drive traffic to your Sniply link and start bringing in the cash. One of the best ways is to find groups about that category on Facebook. So here's a group for entrepreneurs. And you would just search for entrepreneurs and sort or filter the search results by group, and then join a bunch of groups that have several thousand members. This one has 189k members, so that's a lot of people who could potentially see your post with your call to action. Don't worry, because you're not going to be spamming your affiliate link. You're sharing a free video that's giving them a lot of value and helping them. And then with your button there, they have the option of signing up to Skillshare and investing in learning that skill if they choose to. You aren't pushing anything on them or trying to sell them something, so you're not going to come across as spammy. So when you make your post in this group, you can say something along the lines of, this video really helped me when I started my adventure as an entrepreneur. I really think it would help you too. Take a look. And then paste your Sniply link. Post it inside of these groups, and now you have lots of free traffic to your affiliate link where you're giving people value, helping them, and you make money. So it's a win-win. Now I have a quick bonus if you stuck around this long, and I'll quickly show you how you can easily double your efforts with just 2 more minutes of work. Just sign up as an affiliate to another great learning platform called udemy.com, that's udemy.com, and scroll down all the way to the bottom and click here on this link where it says affiliate. And here you'll be taken over to this page where it explains their affiliate program more in depth. Now if we scroll down just a bit here, they don't have a set commission rate that they'll be paying you, but that's actually a good thing because it's a performance-based rate that will increase the more customers you bring to them. So it's not just a flat $7 rate like what the Skillshare affiliate program offers. So just scroll back up to the top here and click on this Join Now button, and then you'll be taken through this short process of filling out your information in order to become an affiliate and be able to earn commissions for referring people to their platform. Go back over to YouTube, grab another video, and then go back over to Sniply and repeat the process inside of more Facebook groups. And you can repeat this process over and over again with all of these different categories inside of those many different Facebook groups. So the possibilities are virtually endless. So now you have all the free tools you need and you have this strategy, and you can always come back to this video and reference it anytime you need to. And all it took was 15 minutes or so to set up, and you can make easy passive profits. Alright, you made it. If you liked this video and if you got value from it, I really hope this helped. I hope you get out there and you start using this method. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to this channel with the notifications on so that you don't miss out on another make money online strategy like this when I upload next time. That way you can be one of the first to use it and have a competitive advantage. Get out there and start making that automated money, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.